Mosquitoes can be a real nuisance anywhere in the world, leaving itchy bites on uncovered skin and a complete annoyance. Mosquitoes are also the number one killer in the world, causing more human deaths. These are insects who carry various diseases and always make people's lives difficult.
We aim to reduce the diseases caused by mosquitoes, and one of the ways to prevent them is to eliminate immature mosquitoes, also known as mosquito larvae. We selected the leaves of Maraotang Acalypha indica for processing and testing to create the Larvacidia and target the larvae in the breeding environment before they could develop into adult mosquitoes.
Larvacidia. Larvacidia is a sort of insecticide that is used to control mosquitoes both inside and outside your home. They kill mosquito larvae before they mature into adults. The use of this leaf is beneficial to households because Maraotong or Acalypha indica is common in the area. Aside from that, because it is organic and cost-effective, this product helps reduce the adult mosquito population in nearby areas and would make a significant contribution to the environment.
Our product is produced entirely of organic materials. Our liquid larvicide is less expensive than the commercial equivalent. The commercial product is a tablet, whereas ours is a liquid larvicide. Unlike standard tablets, which must be combined with water, our larvicide can be used immediately in still water.